Okay, for today's video, we have a visitor. What's your name? Billy. Sit nicely, Billy, and say hi there.
Hi, dear.
Oh, okay. So for today's video, we're going to make a
Slide.
and these are. Can you tell me what
These
are these?
are the ingredients.
Ingredients that we're going to use.
So
So,
and sugar.
Billy, can you tell me what's this? So,
So. Toothpaste.
what's this?
This is the green soap.
Green soap. Toothpaste.
This is the blue toothpaste. You know?
Yeah, blue toothpaste. Ate, what's this? Toothpaste.
That's a water toothpaste.
And this is ate.
What is?
Soap.
Sugar. No, sugar. Salt. I mean salt.
Okay, what's this?
Sugar. Salt.
Salt. Say salt.
Salt.
Okay, what are we going to do first? We need to combine. So,
This first.
okay.
I watch Get Out. This
Okay.
first. I watch Get Out first. I don't want
Okay.
to stick in my watch.
Okay, Nicole, put this here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get the spoon.
I want to stick in my Mr. Bum. It's sticky Mr. Bum and this. No. Look at that. Stick it there.
Okay, guys, let's start.
Put it right here.
All we have to do is just to mix everything. You can put the all the toothpaste. Nicole, put
Toothpaste. Sabon. Put
sabon.
sabon.
Oh, wait for that, Billy. Just wait, Billy. You're going to use a spoon. Okay, just wait. Put more, Nikki. You mix, Billy. Mix. You mix. This one here.
Let
There.
me mix.
No, you put first. You put. Nicole, put some more.
Side.
Put some more. Yan.
Put sabon.
Sabon.
Oh, the sabon. Oh, the sabon. I mix.
Okay, this one's enough, Nikki.
Enough.
This one's enough. You put the toothpaste can.
Mix. Okay.
Mix. Okay, mix, Nikki, mix.
Can I put the sugar?
Salt. Okay, Billy first we're gonna put. Okay, 1 spoon of salt. Okay.
Put.
Just a little. So everyone, just a little, Billy first. Okay.
Put.
Okay, now Ken's turn to put a little also. A little. Okay, and Ate's turn also to put a little. Ooh, don't mix, please.
Now,
Oh, just wait.
my turn.
Nicole, put some salt. Salt. Put here. Here. For you guys to mix. We avoid it putting in your mouth, okay? Okay.
It's slime done. It looks slimy. It looks slimy. Yeah, it looks slimy. It looks very slimy. It's not. I think it's enough.
Let me try. Let me see if it's enough or not. You can add more salt, please.
It's my turn. You.
This one. Okay, and then also add. Okay. Okay, then Ken put a little.
My turn. Your turn.
Just a little. Keep on mixing.
Ta-da.
Okay. Okay. Then Ate Nicole can put some more.
Ah. Here.
Okay, they'll absorb. Okay.
Oh, it's so sticky.
You know we
so
can.
sticky.
Yes, we can play this
Where's
tomorrow.
the clock?
Yeah.
I want to see the clock. Where's the clock?
Here.
Can I play?
Anyway guys, yung day
Not
2
yet.
nito, hindi
You
na
need to
nakabalik
wait for
yung bata
tomorrow.
kasi
When Billy
pumasok
comes
sa
back
paaralan.
here, you can play
Kaya si
together,
Nicole na
okay?
lang at si Ken ang nagpatuloy maglaro sa
Okay.
slime experiment natin.
Sticky stuff.
Ken, wag ilagay sa bunga. So ito yung itsura niya.
Let's go. Like me? Billy, let's play. Like me?
What?
You have like me.
Slime.
Wash your hand.
Yeah, wash your hands, guys.
I like to touch the slime.
So let's see tomorrow after 24 hours how it goes. Lagay natin sa freezer. Not sa freezer, siguro sa ano lang.
Ayan guys, tinakpan natin at ilalagay lang natin yan sa refrigerator. Antay tayo ng 24 hours.
Tapos, pwede na siguro kahit mga bukas, mga pagbalik ng bisita naming Vietnamese friend, pagbalik ng bata. So, buksan namin to bukas, pagbalik niya at pwede na silang maglaro.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. Now we're going to open the slime.
Okay. So, check muna natin. Ito na yung itsura niya. Closer look. Ayan.
Can I play with the slime? Can we play with the slime,
Pero
Mama?
parang,
Please.
lagyan muna natin, dagdagan natin ng, anong tawag dito?
Sugar.
Hindi, so.
What?
Kuha ka ng spoon ate, mix. Ayan. Di-mix mo na.
Now it smells yucky. It smells like vitamins.
Smells like vitamins.
Play. I want to play. Wow, I want to play.
Yeah.
What's that? I want to play with that.
Lagay lang tayo ng konting oil dito sa table. Okay, pwede mo na gamitin yung kamay mo, Ken. Spread mo yung oil. Spread the oil like this, oh. Ganyan. Sige. Oy, ang dami ate.
Dummy.
Dami. Ate na. Oil, ate, oh. Akin na yung Pikachu mo, ate.
Pikachu.
Yan. Okay.
Yeah.
Yan muna. Yan. Sige, ate na. What's this, ate?
This slime. Wow. Yay. Ooh, whoa, whoa. I'm
Ano
stuck.
nga natin, Ken?
Help me.
Yan.
Can I?
Sige.
Oh, what's this? Slime?
Yes.
What's that? Huh?
Sige, nag-play.
It's very sticky. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh, can you give me Marshall car, please? Marshall car.
So ito na yung closer look ng ating slime.
To the rescue. Beep, beep, beep.
So ayan. Enjoy playing! Diba?
Don't worry, to the rescue. Don't worry, to my slime.
Ito yung punas mo sa iyo ate. Sa kamay mo.
Get out. Get out of here. Yeah, get out. Yeah. Now it's my turn to get out. Very, very sticky.
So, how about, parang siya stick. Yan. Okay. Here, sir. Ganyan. See, oh, super. Yes. Did you write A, ate? A? Would you like to put some...
No, I want to remove this plastic.
Hindi na siya matatanggal. Hindi na, oh. Ew, it's very yucky na.
Yucky.
Wag ka na, wag.
Sige.
Ew. Sige, play.
Alex, it's very big. Stucky.
Asa na yung ano? Yung shovel. You find the shovel. Rake and shovel and wheelbarrow and wheelbarrow. That's
sticky. Mr. Bum. Ayaw, Mr. Bum. Ayaw, Mr. Bum. Ano, Mr. Bum.
Lumabas?
Yay! I like this one. This one will go fast. Whee! Ah! Ano mo ito mo? No! Help us! Help! 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 This is a quicksand! Help!